Hey guys, as promised, my Masterclass and PortraitStudio are on sale for the next 2 weeks. So a lot of you are new here and you don't know what my Masterclass is and what my PortraitStudio is. So let's talk about it. So my Masterclass is an in-depth lesson on portraits, front view female portrait, and it is open to all skill levels, whether you just started painting, you've never painted before, or you're a seasoned advanced artist that just needs a little bit of a push for your rendering stages. And what sets my masterclass apart from other classes is that I provide brushstroke lists. This is basically me telling you every single individual brushstroke that you need to lay down. I hold your hand for the entire process, and this is especially appealing to beginners who just started with portraiture and rendering digitally. And you also get the same exact brush that I use. So there's really a small margin for failure when it comes to my tutorial. And the companion notes are there for those list lovers that really need things put down in text. And the cool thing with my notes is that they are synced with the video. So my text is like a small companion booklet. So as you watch the video, as you see me lay down brushstrokes, you can watch along with the notes. And the notes list out every brushstroke that I make, from highlights, where to put midtones, where to put shadows, and why. From a basic sketch, so we start off with a very simple sphere and the anatomy and the form theory that goes into that until it evolves into a fully rendered portrait. It takes you through the entire process. It covers theory, knowledge, and technique. So there's really nothing left that hasn't been thoroughly explained or demonstrated to you. It accommodates those who learn visually, who need demonstration, as well as those technical learners who need things organized into lists and diagrams. I'm basically with you every single brushstroke, every step of the way, from the basic portrait sphere that we start off with all the way until the portrait is fully rendered. As for PortraitStudio, if you don't know what it is, it's a reference building software. It makes the referencing process as easy as possible. You have full control of camera, lighting, and model. That means that you have full control of the reference building process. It contains a male and female posable mannequin, which is basically a godsend for anyone who's illustrating, who has very complex figures and angles they need to design their characters in. People who just want to study figure drawing and just gesture drawing and understanding that. They want to build their reference and see it from many angles. And those who are building character designs and illustrating characters with different body types, you can adjust the mannequins in every way. You can make them heavier, you can make them thinner. They are fully customizable. PortraitStudio also offers high detail busts from many age groups, along with the control of the light source that just increases the possibilities of what you can build with PortraitStudio. But you also get low poly head models for those just starting on portraits who just want to learn the planes of the head. So the sale will run for 2 weeks, and the link is istebrak.com/store. I hope you guys find my masterclass useful. I hope you guys find PortraitStudio useful. Soon, very, very soon, PortraitStudio will come out as an app. So instead of releasing it as an app and then updating it after that, we're releasing the update with the app. I can't wait for you guys to see that, because it'll take PortraitStudio to a whole new level. The fact that it's going to be mobile, you can carry it around with you. I can't wait for that release. But for now, PortraitStudio and my masterclass are on sale, and soon PortraitStudio will be offered on my Gumroad as well. It'll be offered as a package with my masterclass, so you guys get the full, complete learning resources that you need to improve your portraits and improve all of your art in general. Everything that I sell in my store, I sell because I know it works. I was directly involved in its production, and I applied all my teaching theory. So if you know how I teach, you know how I am. I'm very thorough with teaching. I take on different avenues, and I don't offer anything unless I know it works, unless I know the theory is sound. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in class. Bye.